All right, so guys, yeah, this is the red color CB350 RS. So as you can see, the tank is exactly the same except for this CB350 RS branding and this sticker, so to speak. So yeah, so if I start right from the front, the big differences what I see on this bike is, the first thing is the tires. It's got this dual purpose MRF zapper tires, and the LED indicators are of a very different design, and of course the headlamp is totally different. Cannot be retrofitted on the CB350, it's totally different. And this misses out the USB charger. There's no USB charger here like how you get on the CB350 Highness. Yes, what next? And yes, in terms of the mudguard, so it's even shorter here, more of a cafe racer style. And coming to the exhaust is totally matte finish, completely matte finish exhaust, but it's the same exhaust, same design, same sound, no changes there. And yes, it's still the same engine, 350cc engine with the same power output, same torque, same number of gears, etc. But only thing what I'm seeing right now is in the CB350 Highness, this cover is more of a glossy finish, and here it is matte finish. So that's the difference. And yes, the side covers are fiber, unlike the metal on the CB350 Highness. Yes, the swing arm is exactly the same, the electricals is exactly the same, and brakes are exactly the same, tires are different, and this very attractive grab rail out here looks quite good, and functional too, not bad. Yes, it gets this particular plastic on this particular sari guard, looks little bit more modern touch. And yeah, so rest pretty much remains the same, guys. It still gets the main stand and the side stand, and yes, the gear shifter is totally different in this bike. Definitely cannot be retrofitted to CB350 Highness, because this particular arm is totally different in that bike, right? As you can see, the footrests are provided and integrated in this particular piece what is connected to the swing arm, rather than on the chassis like how you have on the CB350 Highness. So cannot be retrofitted, and if you have to retrofit, you'll have to change this entire piece altogether, and then only you can do it. So yes, those are some of the changes here. And with respect to yes, this is a different finish here. The fuel injection unit manifold unit covers are little different here. They are again matte finish, black color. So that is another major difference. And what else? Yeah, so these are some of the very key differences, guys. Apart from that, as I said earlier, the riding stance or the seating stance is a bit more aggressive due to the footrest being rear set compared to CB350, where it is forward set here. And another thing, the sump guard what comes on this particular bike, right? Of course, there are these two bolts, screw options available on CB350 Highness, but we do not have this option here, this bolt option, to fit on this bike. As you can see, this is the CB350 Highness, and it's got these screws here, but there is no screw option here to fit that sump guard into this bike. So basically you cannot fit the sump guard onto the Honda CB350 Highness. what are the parts you can really fit from this bike to CB350 Highness? Yes, the first thing is the headlamp. Yes, you can definitely fit the headlamp. Second one is the indicators. You can definitely go for these indicators and fit it on CB350 Highness. And yes, the tires you can retrofit. Tires can be retrofitted on this bike. And yes, all of these things, these covers can be retrofitted. And exhaust, mostly yes. And a lovely addition what I see on this bike is this piece, guys. As you can see, if somebody is resting their feet, if your pillion is resting the feet, if they keep it this way, your shoe would never touch the exhaust. This is very thoughtful of Honda to have this particular piece here for the comfort of the pillion, and more importantly comfort and safety as well. So that's a good one. What else? Yeah, so those are the little things, guys, what I see on this bike, which is a bit different. And point to be noted, so the rear tire on RS is 150 by 70 by 17 inch. So it's a 17-inch tire, whereas on CB350 Highness it is a 18-inch tire. So tire is different. So most likely the size of the alloy at the rear is also different. So yeah, so if somebody is looking to upgrade to this particular tire, you may need to look at replacing the alloy as well with a 17-inch alloy. So that's an important point. So yeah, so these are a couple of things and my observations about the RS versus the Highness. So yeah, so seat is good as well, just in case you like to swap it. So, and let's see if this particular seat opens with the key. No, again there is a screw, guys, here, one here and one here. This time there are two Allen keys in order to open the seat, not one, two, one here and one on the other side. So more safety and more difficult to open the seat. So yeah, so that's pretty much, guys, at this point in time. Do let me know in case of any questions, and happy to answer and clarify. Thank you.